side to side, as we just start moving our body to release any stagnant energy. Up and over. Open up the arms. Wide. Wide spaces. Take up that space. Moving slowly and gently. Up and over and hold it up and stretch. Again. Other side. Again. And back to center. Oh, as we go down, we're flexing the full body, moving the spine. Let your breath take you to each pose. And twist open. Other side. Again. And exhale, other side. Let it flow. Let your body release into this somatic movement. Open up the chest and roll it around and around. One more time. The other way. Down we go and back up. Star pose. Lifting up on the toes and back on the heels. Up on the toes, back on the heels. Up, back, down, up, back down, and up, back down, up, back down, up, side to side. Find your center. Find your groove as we flex the toes. We don't realize how important those toes are, and they need to be flexed. You will feel a major difference between before and after. Shake it out. Other side. And bend them down. And shake it out. Both sides. Just give your whole body a shake. Inhale. And down. Exhale. Up. Exhale. Down. So take your body to the right side of your legs. That's your arms. Right side. Draw the tailbone up. And breathe. Other side. Let the hands come to the floor, create space between the belly and the thighs. Jumped out. Stretching out that spine. It feels so fine. Yes, it does. Find your breath in the movement. Open up those arms, grab your toes, and lift the head. Okay, let's go to the right side. Your knee is at a 45-degree angle. Exhale, other side, 45-degree angle. Again to the right, and side angle. Walk over to the other side. And side angle to the left. Straighten your leg and go right into downward dog as your tail reaches up. Ooh, chaturanga and upward dog. And exhale, down dog. Adjust as needed. Again, chaturanga, exhaling. And up we go, drop the shoulders, look up to the sky. And exhale into downward dog. This is the poetry of yoga. Exhale. Let your body flow. Shoulders down. Engage the glutes. And exhale, and we come into down dog. Up we go with the right leg. And you're going to bring your knee into the right elbow and then back up. Bring the knee into the left elbow. And right to the right elbow. One last time as we are in downward dog. Nice straight spine. Other leg goes up. That's your left leg. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale to the right elbow. Inhale, leg up. Exhale to the right elbow. Find your downward dog. Adjust always as needed. Chaturanga, exhale. Ooh, surrender to the mat. Child's pose, exhaling. Adjust. Downward dog, exhale. And we're going to take our right hand to our left ankle. switch arms. It'll be our left arm to the right ankle. Back to downward dog, chaturanga. Ooh. Upward dog. Yes. Yeah. Child's pose. Find your breath, find your poetry. Find whatever it is you need to find within your body to make you feel your best. As we move in to Cobra. Going to the right side. Look down. Inhale. And exhale to the left side. It's all about body positive because we can. And it feels so good as we open our chest and let our breath fill the lungs. And find your center. Side. Humbly we bow. Drop your head. Other side. Humbly we bow again. Drop your head. Let your breath be rhythmic. Ooh, we're almost there. Sometimes the simplest things can be hard as we go into squat. And let your body settle right into squat. Open that heart. Give thanks. You did it. You did it. Namaste.